pipe decor is a relatively easy woodworking niche to get into and can be incredibly lucrative. Last week I did a video on a pipe decor item that garnered one Etsy seller over $370,000 in profit. And in today's video, I'm going to show you more items in the pipe decor category. Let's first look at the pipe decor bookcase. It is essentially the same design as the shoe rack. It's offered in many different sizes and prices, as you can see, going all the way up to just over $1,000. This particular item got 1,552 sales. An easy calculation at 30 to 40% profit margin, which is the average case from all these different items that I've done on this channel. At over $1 million in sales, going at the mid price of about $678. On sale, by the way. This one item would have profited this seller $315,000 to $420,000. And he's not the only one selling this. There are several other sellers. Here's some other designs. And though no one has gotten as many sales as this guy, they've each gotten several hundred sales for this one item. Now, shelving in general is one of the most popular woodworking categories on Etsy. So it would stand to reason that pipe decor shelving would also be very lucrative and popular, and it is. Check these out. As you can see, some of these pipe decor shelves go from the easy and simple to the moderate to the extremely intricate. This is a steampunk design, I think you would probably say. And many of these items are getting substantial sales, as you can see. And as you have surely already ascertained, the woodworking aspect of these pipe decor shelves is incredibly minimal. Sometimes it just means cutting a piece of wood to length, getting it sanded down and stained. Hey, if you're getting some value from this video, please check out my other videos and please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I got new videos coming out. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. I am getting so close to 20,000 subscribers and it is all because of you. All right, one last odds and ends category of pipe decor before we get into the most important tip that you're gonna need to know if you wanna start building these. So if you missed last week's video, I did a full tutorial on building one of these shoe racks, which got incredible sales. And now to some of the other odds and ends items. We have pipe decor bookends. We have jewelry holders, towel racks, liquor shelf displays. This one's pretty cool, actually. Paper towel holders, and of course, coat racks. And some of these got some really good sales. Now, for the most important tip, do not buy these pipes if you're going to build some of these projects at Lowe's or Home Depot. You will go broke. The pipes there are very expensive. I recommend getting your pipes on Amazon. However, huge caveat here. As you probably already know, there's a lot of junk on Amazon, and that includes the pipes, which people will use for pipe decor. And so it's been kind of hit and miss for some of these pipe companies, but I'll leave a link below to some of the companies that I've used before that I really like. So here's a quick example. These are both for 3/4 inch pipe, but look at the size difference. And this is actually not a bad quality from some of the stuff I've come across, but the size on this, the sturdiness look of it is 100 times better than this one. And this one isn't horrible. There have been worse, like I said, but this one's much better. This is an actual, what you would actually use for whatever it is you use black pipe for. I don't know, I guess maybe for gas. Now, as we already talked about, if you wanted to introduce some of this into your Etsy shop, shelving, as I've done several videos in the past, is one of the best categories for woodworking, although yes, it is saturated. So yes, adding pipe decor shelving might be a good option. Anyhow, that is all I have for you on pipe decor today. Lots of options out there, lots of ideas. Hopefully it gets your wheels going. Maybe you can think of something unique using pipes that maybe I didn't feature today. But what I featured today seemed to be pretty much the bulk of what was out there on Etsy, at least. So do some searching yourself, come up with some ideas, build some stuff, and get it out there. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.